Sunday morn, he run out of bed before the alarm. He was ready and prepared for this all week. As his wife poured him a cup of joe, he said, "I'm excited." She smiled, "I know." He couldn't wait for the time for him to leave. I've got a fishing trip planned today. That's the reason for the smile on my face. I pray that the Lord will show me the place, and when I get there I'll use the right bait in the big, big ocean that is full of sin. I know by His help I'll reel a good one in. Get 'em in the boat, let the cleaning begin, and if there's time, start over again.